Give it up. Creative Director from BBDO Guerrero, Ms. Tin Sanchez. Tin.
Okay. I'm also Jao's boss, that's why he says nice things about me. Okay, I'm going to talk about, I can't see you. I'm going to talk about creativity, how you can come up with ideas by being crazy. So, may topak kayo, maybe nandun yung genius niyo. So don't be normal. To be creative, stop being normal. Why would you want to be normal and be like everybody else? Don't strive for perfection. Just be different. When you're crazy, you're not like everybody else. And you can embrace that. And when you're coming up with ideas, have delusions of grandeur. So imagine that everything is possible. You're a god. You can make anything happen. What will you do? What ideas will you come up with if you're a god, if you're like Dexter in his lab? So have delusions of grandeur when you're coming up with ideas. You can also have multiple personality disorder. Be someone else. Be GMA. Be the person you hate. Be the person right beside you. What ideas will you come up with? Kung ibang tao ka, you're somebody else. If you can see the world through another person's eyes, anong lalabas na idea sa'yo? Okay? Steal and borrow. Not objects, but inspiration from the Bible, the way the Matrix borrowed a lot from the Bible. From your favorite subject, your least favorite subject, from your sister's journal, from your boyfriend's cell phone, maybe meron kang makikitang inspiration doon. So don't be afraid to steal or borrow and make it your own. When you found a good idea, be an addict. Don't stop with the first idea you come up with. Come up with 50, come up with a lot. When you have one idea, it's easy to fall in love with it. So don't. Come up with a lot and be addicted to ideas. And what else? If people criticize your idea, be a sociopath. A sociopath, walang conscience, walang guilt, walang heart. And it hurts when people say your idea sucks. So leave your heart at the door. Well, and just keep going. Okay. Next. When people like your idea, be pessimistic about it. Be cynical. Why? Why do you like it? Magdrama ka, bakit mo siya gusto? Hindi. Kasi if you relax and you believe that your idea is good, then you stop pushing yourself and you stop coming up with something better. And if people insist your idea is good, it's great, be paranoid. Because the best ideas make people uncomfortable. Kasi it's something they haven't seen or heard of before. So when people say, wow, galing-galing mo, galing na naisip mo, ask yourself, oh my God, what have I done wrong? Be a hypochondriac. Your idea is part of yourself. It's like your arm, your throat. Try to feel your idea and imagine, what if it's a disease? What is wrong with it? How can I treat it? How can I make it better? And maybe you will come up with something better. Guwapo niya, no? Okay, if people insist your idea sucks, be manic. Pag may mania ka, if you're manic, you're an eternal fountain of energy. And when people criticize your idea, you lose energy. So don't. Just be eternally energetic and inspired. Don't sleep. Keep talking. Be an exhibitionist. So show them what you have. Pag sinabi na pangit yung idea mo, pakita mo sa kanila, mali sila. Pakita mo yung kilikili ng idea mo, pakita mo maputi. Diba? Show them the best bits of your idea. Be an exhibitionist. Next. When thinking of your audience, be a stalker. So hindi lang yung mga ex natin yung sinastalk natin. Sinastalk din natin yung target audience natin or the people we're trying to reach. So observe them, know every little thing about them so that you will know what they're interested in. So be a single white female, the single white female of your audience. Be a voyeur. So know what they do behind closed doors. What will they do if they know nobody's looking? Observe them. Observe them and make sure that they don't notice you observe them. so that you will get them and get to know them in a very, very intimate way. You will know your audience very well. When crafting your work, have obsessive compulsive disorder. Fix this, fix that, straighten that. Don't stop until you reach perfection. When you craft your work, you aim to make it a masterpiece. So magikang OC. Next. Be a cannibal. Be ready to kill and eat your baby, your work. Chew it and then digest it and expel it, and maybe it will come out as something better, something great, and something original. So, cannibalize. Kainin mo, eat it for lunch. Be a mad scientist. Experiment. Use tools or words or colors or materials and techniques you haven't used before. And maybe you have an evil laugh if that helps. Use words. Bahala ka na. Experiment. You're a creator and you can be a mad scientist. Be a pathological gambler. Take risks. Don't be afraid to lose, because you can't lose, you can only learn. And finally, I hope, gambler. When you get recognition, when you've earned the respect of your peers, when you've won an award, when you become famous, when your mom thinks you're all that, can you guess what's next? Be crazy, be insane, be abnormal, be a serial killer. Do it again and again and again and again, and don't stop until you're satisfied, so you live a very, very fulfilled life. And I will leave you with this quote that I stole from my sister's email. By Dexter. The most beautiful things are those that madness prompts and reason writes. This is by Andrew Guy, who is probably some great guy. Thank you.